Stop saying sorry for the delay in emails. There's a smarter, more confident way to say it. When you apologize for a delay, you're centering the inconvenience and putting yourself in a weaker position. Instead, try flipping it into appreciation. Say, "Thank you for your patience," or "Thanks for waiting on this." It keeps the tone positive, professional, and it acknowledges the other person without beating yourself up. Here are a few swaps you can use. Instead of "Sorry for the delay," "Thank you for your patience." Instead of "Sorry for the late reply," "Appreciate you giving me time to get back to you." Instead of "Sorry I missed this," "Thanks for the reminder." It's a small shift, but it changes how people perceive you in writing. Less apologizing, more confidence, and better email etiquette overall. Try it this week and watch the difference.